In this example, we want to choose the correct equation that would match this graph. Before we do that, let's take a look at the four orientations. When we have the squared on the y with a positive value, that's the right orientation. When the squared is on the y with a negative coefficient, that's left. When the squared is on the x with a positive coefficient, that is up. And when the squared is on the x with a negative coefficient, that orientation is down. So we can see from our picture that we have a left orientation. So we're looking for the squared to be on the y with a negative coefficient. So let's do a little eliminating. We've got this squared on the y with a negative coefficient. This one's got the squared on the x. This one has got the squared on the y. However, it's a positive coefficient. This squared is on the x, squared on the x. This one has the squared on the y with a negative coefficient. Squared on the y, positive coefficient, squared on the x. So now we're down to 2. So then I'm going to take a look at the vertex. The vertex is negative 2, 4, and we've got our h and k here, h and k, and we need it to be negative 2, 4. So that's going to be this one right here. So even if we weren't given this multiple choice question, we would still be able to figure out the entire equation by using a second point on the graph. So I would probably choose this obvious point right here, negative 6, 0, because it's easy to spot on the graph. And then we know that we have this left orientation, that's y minus k squared equals negative 4a times x minus h. And I would substitute in for the vertex that y of 4. And actually, in for y, I would also put in the y coordinate from this point and the x coordinate for that point, as well as the x from the vertex. So this is going to give me negative 4 squared equals negative 4a, negative 6 plus 2. That's 16 equals negative 4a times negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 4 is a positive 16. And then I divide both sides by 16, and that tells me that a equals 1. So then I would be able to fill in the k from the vertex, the a that I just figured out, as well as the h from the vertex, and I would have the equation of that parabola. So the equation is y minus 4 squared equals negative 4 times x plus 2. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.